What's up, guys? Echo here once again. Alright, so this is GBP JPY. Right, what am I expecting? I already analyzed these pairs with my mentees, and I just want to give this out for free. Right, so pay attention and let's get right into it. So, simple strategy, simple thing. What am I expecting? So, long term, I'm expecting us to continue selling on this pair, right? But short term, I'm bullish on it. So, at this point, we actually saw that the market swept out sell side liquidity, right? Give us a break of structure, and we bought into this area, right? Okay, so at this point, at some point, I was expecting to see a decline, also another decline, right? I was expecting to see another decline, then we buy, but then we missed it, right? And currently, we're seeing this guy trying to form. I don't know what it's trying to form, but yeah, it's just trying to decline, right? So this week, most likely, we might buy into this fair value gap here. Reason because this fair value gap has not been tapped into, and there's liquidity around this area, right? Resting around this area of people selling and putting their stop losses across above the fair value gap. And most times, most of the people using the fair value gap as a point of interest or as their entry point. So for me, I'm gonna chill. I'll wait and see how price reacts when it gets to this point, and we'll chill. So most likely this week we might buy into this place. We might be bullish the whole of this week, most likely, but overall we're bearish on this guy on GBP JPY, right? So on the higher time frame, this is the 15 minutes. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame, so you see things clearly or more clear, right? So time frame, right? The 4 hours time frame. This is what I'm expecting. You can see it that we're bearish, right? Plan was to actually buy, and this was a swing trade from last year, so we closed. This gave us a relative equal, right? Created liquidity above here, sold, slightly changed character, left the daily high. It broke structure around here, left us with the break of structure. Sorry, I forgot this, not my screen that can expand. Okay, so broke structure, left us with a fair value gap, right? With a fair value gap that was not tapped, right? We sold. Instead of, for people that always buy use every what's the name, what's the name, that use every other block. Now this other block, people started buying at this point. Price decided not to. Instead, it decided to tap into this fair value gap that was here, sweeping out liquidity from this guy, and use this. So personally, I'm expecting to see price come back down here a little bit, tap into this fair value gap most likely, or into this